All right, the next one would be number 14. Looks like the numbering's a little off. And 14, wow, they just gave it to you straight up empty, straight up to my face. Okay, so here we go. Let's start this one off. The first step, remember in the first one, it's always going to be the given. So what did they give you? It's, let me get into the sketch pad. It's 8 times x minus 1 equals 5x minus 35. And that's because they gave it to you. So our reason is going to be given. Now let's go ahead and write our last spot. Prove that x equals -9. So the last one is always what you're trying to prove. But we don't know how we get there yet. So let's just work this out. So first we're going to distribute. So we would have 8 times x, 8x, minus 8 times -1, which is minus 8, equals 5x minus 35. We use the distributive property. Okay? Next, what are we going to do? I'm going to add 8 to both sides. So I'm going to add plus 8, and that's going to take that away. So we're going to have 8x equals 5x minus 27. And I use the addition property of equality. And finally, I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. Subtract 5x. Boom. So I have 3x equals -27. And I use the subtraction property of equality. Really, this step right here, steps 3 and 4, could be interchangeable. It doesn't really matter which order you do it in because you'd still end up with the same thing. But anyways, finally, how do we go from 3x equals -27 to x equals -9? I divide both sides by 3. So that means I use the division property of equality. And that is the end of this one.